In your view, what are the next big trends in storytelling or OTT?
One of the biggest trends, let's see how long it lasts, to be
Hmm.
honest, Shraddha, is the micro dramas, the vertical micro dramas, which is a 1 minute, right? Those seem to be really doing well. And internationally, it's $1 billion business, where ek minute ka aaya, aapne dekha about 7, 8 episodes, and then you have to buy the subscription and then you watch the rest of it.
Right.
So it's catering to your lack of retention power, instant attention and instant आपको जो entertainment चाहिए and move. So this is one big trend. Whether we support it or not, I cannot say.
Okay.
But ये एक popular है. Um, I think globally, films are not the same like they were
Anymore.
हमारे टाइम पे या पहले, राइट? बिकॉज वही एक एंटरटेनमेंट था. अब एंटरटेनमेंट बहुत चेंज हो गया है बिकॉज अनदर थिंग दैट्स हैपन विद सोशल मीडिया, श्रद्धा, इज दैट people are shooting themselves, right? So they are stars in their own eyes.
Yeah.
So हमारे टाइम पे we were, stars were, there was, हमारे eyes में भी stars थे कि screen पे जाएंगे, वो क्या चीज़ है. Now they're behind themselves and the phone itself has become
Right.
as big as an OTT show. वो भी आप phone पे देख रहे हो, आप एक content भी phone पे देख रहे हो. So the distinction has changed completely, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, to be able to get people to get excited कि आप film देखने आओ, या तो आप बिल्कुल back to basic simple story बनाओ जो एक common Indian को समझ आए, right? Because you and I, people living in metros, तो नहीं है India, right? India is people who are living in tier 2, tier 3 cities and in villages, और उनका entertainment क्या है? Films. Malls भी नहीं है, रेस्टोरेंट्स भी इतना नहीं है. अगर हैं भी तो कितना मॉल जाओगे, कितना रेस्टोरेंट जाओगे. सो फिल्म स्टिल इज अ कम्युनिटी वॉचिंग एक्सपीरियंस. लेकिन अगर आप फिल्में वैसी बनाएंगे जो उनको भी समझ आए, तो इट मेक्स अ डिफरेंस, राइट? विच इज वाई कमिंग टू साउथ फिल्म्स डू वेल. वाई? Because they are catering to that emotion, na?
Yeah.
High emotion and high drama and
Drama.
high anger, high वो. That's what people like. वो आप और मैं नहीं देख सकते, हमें headache हो
I
जाएगा.
know. For them, it's more relatable, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's also suspension of घर में छोड़ के आओ stress, ये देखो.
Yeah. And they want to see something which is, when I say relatable, that doesn't mean, that's something which they want to see on a big screen, or, something which they can't do.
Which they can't do,
Yeah.
exactly. आप रियलिटी से बाहर आके, राइट? मगर वो इमोशन आप समझ रहे हो, वो एंगर आप समझ रहे हो. एनिमल, व्हाई डिड इट डू वेल? वो इमोशन लोगों को कनेक्ट हो गया कि दिस गाय, has been neglected by his father. He has anger. He wants to protect his sister. So whether you like it or not, people loved it because they related to that emotion. So let's see where we go. But I feel all kinds of films and content should be made.